Buy the box keke price 76 pounds. Buy the box keke. Say for about one share that one monitor or show mo picture na. E shede do mu nyina ko photo shoot o. Omo patient coat bi shegu so no. Okosha picture no abebi account no acho your friend Dr. Asumesi. Enti mi kwa mi account ba ko no. Who's your friend Dr. Akosia test?
Sir?
This mean call doctor school bia, nyiminya physician, nyiminya hwe. So by force, I was saying I'm a doctor or TikToker. I'm a doctor for TikTok.
Oh, you qualify. You more than qualify.
What you say?
TikTok so that you more than qualify.
We should cost analysis be on way. Yes, you recoup for 12,000 rows. Nira Mahama 4,000 per parliament records. Or still NDC for the other CNPP for the. Who does that? It's only in NDC doctors. And the best analysis we will up way so. I'm a tibon cost up for so ajiatu. Dog with a mouth who they know was AYEKA. They will be a can one. Dr. Oliver, but one more said that. And friend is
Dr. Tanko computer.
And this is for Munko school. Musoya, Munko school. No one else and conform machine nice attire, no money catching no money break. Obianya no ye reku for the buy was free SHS. Oh nanko obiya ma ne be kobi. Era mahama buy ye nka oto aso na. Bibia ye free na nka de pad bi be sa kan ho man kwala ya. Ni ehu si ye hye mukina. Na we wo ma ye pad o si ye nkotua ho examination fee. Wo ma ye pad o si ye nkoto ho atare. Na ma nya atare ansha anka tamadaja so a eno na me de kwasho na be ye de. Na president we want to pad test it.
That's a mishap.
Those babies with sharp teeth need there.
Those people.
Rollins. Your man penny that Rollins. Oh, who no kind penny dear. Papa no nyame fa ne crazy, but who can hear? Say babies with sharp teeth.
Deep bon cause babies with sharp teeth.
Why the sister a queen? Was not queen government. Why the sister much rake?
AYEKA.
One quite buy the box keke price 76 pounds. Buy the box keke 76 pounds. And so first near 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 12 pounds.
Oh.
And I heard you.
Yo, me that say Miss Hart. I'll come back to you. And
so at the kids were in America. I Miss me for Paula the much there.
You're releasing. Yo.
If you want them to be your friend, it's better off even joining the NDC. Because you won't go for baby because cousin and omubusu for NDC meeting and no so much concern. You're Kennedy. And an interview you could actually say no one cousin what Jatun say he one also on cast of person your president daw.
Yeah.
When me dancing. On your money position crowd see there be on ministerial position. But the money contract, businessman. And then say there be a worker.
Yeah.
And if so was your mama were down for you didn't abusu for were down for. It won't end this for near Mobono Muyin, two bear flag bearer, but then I be a quachinko quan, a quachin cotton. Are we doing politics and I say a better? If you want them to be your friend, it's better off even joining the NDC. Because you won't go for baby because some cousin and omubusu for NDC meeting and no matter or my drew NDC.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people who are doing it. So honorable. Now you can cross the carpet. You've made it known to us. Even on during 2024 elections, campaign and Adina Sincho Sukache say, Upa Yura Mahamacho, Upa the Chosa Day. Shankwasima Sam George Eddy, or the Madam Eslausu, Honorable Eslausu, and you to form all the time. Our buy Shensen, Hunala Oye. What did I to swap on a show? Say, wrong, say, it be a misinformation. And I say, I send you okay, one can year. I found out by one reality. What will be poor bicho?
Debida.
In this need so be poor bicho.
Debida.
Because a more can 28 when I'm moody or noble can let you among us margin regular. Nothing more a pepe, send your first no more drink say as patriot now. And come moon dear chance to so. And money yen say who saw up you to be brave basasa. Say here unity and kaboom. Problem in and kabum. We have the qualities, everything that we can win this 2028 elections. Ye pamo chow. Mama pamo reggae me say high life. ye ton fried rice mo mfa ko bi me fry en kase pese ndiam pese
Bas.
empanyimfo nti bigidi se JFK sa interview so ahwe bi ono nka se no so ohun ye so mo de ya she da document ni nyina de ama o mo se emfunso papa ya ye wa bu party mra no so ebe ya mo ntwene nsen papa no ontena chiri kakra nje na home ono 24 years kura wa asenfo su kura no still no ohun so ama sit ni kura elusu ye nti ohia se okọ ahomediem yewura ken ohia se okọ ahomediem na dachi bi ni ana yakoji ya ni na akọbọ nkomo nti yesere mu madaroma adia yewura ken ye no adia yewura ken me de me srem pipi for madama se mu nyina me ne ma adwen be ye pa yenko popular acclamation yewura ba omia yesere o ye nyina nim se ye nyina ayi obi asepata wo MPP ni obi asepata nti nkebe ya popular acclamation ne mo papa ne den enko ni nyina ye mfa ye support in China chi kama na ntiri twetwe bia asem nim enya afu na obi kwhye obi achi wo constituency bi mse we mi mpe we asem yenyi we ase atwede yenye ni sei na ha akumsi yenye na ye mani rapuli ni enko kan na se mu nyina mo ankasa mu nim sa ade there were a lot of lapses that happened in 2024. Let's correct those lapses. Inshallah 2028 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be sworn in.
But Miss Hart, why have you people forced the NDC to be anti-Tiwa? You're releasing.
Okay, thank you.
Yo, me that say. Yo, DK, good evening.
Champion, chairman. We say, hope you are doing well.
By God's grace, now as well.
Yeah,
your part of voice will form one day. Wait me, increase the camera.
Say, most liar person on this earth, Canada, Japan.
Oh, sir.
When the good America, sir. Yeah.
But so was kind. Money covers all those things.
But I don't know Ghanafuɔ. I don't know idea who. Sikadi kano kura who said wo ye biaye. Because Papa we ebe ye MP ewa Asin Central 24 good years. 80 or patch ye say na MP ni e mo almost rot. Was a party na mwa grassroots. Strut na ye de man no. What the man for no family NDC for. And you're not done for Nicholas Dauda. You're not done for no. NDC MPP for youth. I'm Asin Central. 24 good years. Can I Japan strut to Musa or the family? Musa and Timunya Pia, Asin one and MPP for and how many youth and obeying premo. And you know, any personal you, the business or you.